Did you know? The sun constantly makes sound, but we can't hear it. Pressure waves are hundreds of miles long. The sun emits sound as pressure waves. The human ear only hears frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. The sun's pressure waves are completely outside that range, but scientists use radio telescopes to detect these pressure waves. The sun's thermonuclear reactions create them constantly. The sun is always singing. We just can't hear it. How amazing is that? Share this with your friends.